Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Poppy in a Christmas sweater. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with the glasses of Poppy. So I'm going to draw the inside of the glass first. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to try to keep it roughly about the same. And then I'm going to draw the outside of the frame. We're going to do that first, and then we're going to continue with the eyes, the nose, and the face, the rest of the face. Now for the eyes. So inside we're going to draw two big round eyes. We're going to draw the pupils, the iris, light reflections, and let's color the pupils in. Then we're going to go to the eyelashes. We're going to just draw two eyelashes inside. There we go, and let's color it in. Now for the nose, we're going to draw a little butter nose. And right below that, we're going to draw a little smile. Let's draw the lips as well. There we go. And then maybe a bottom lip. And now, on the side here, I'm just going to draw two handles of the glasses. And then we're going to start from here. I'm just going to draw a little triangle. And on this side, I'm just going to draw a triangle there as well. And now, from this point of this triangle, we're going to draw the jaw. And I'm just going to take it down all the way around, connect it there as well. And then stemming out here is going to be the ears. So the ears is going to come out, two pointy ears from these. And maybe we can just draw a few little lines in there to give some texture. Right above the glasses. The eyebrows. From the glasses here, so I'm going to go from the glasses over the eyebrow, and we're going to draw the fringe, and then from this side we're going to draw it down, and we're going to connect it to the glasses. And right here on top we're going to start with a flower, so I'm just going to draw a little flower, next to it a smaller flower, and now we're going to draw the top of the head. Nice and round to the ear, and then from this side you're going to draw a line in, and then you're going to draw it nice and round, and maybe just do a piece of hair, a strand of hair on both sides as well. Then hair at the back standing up, so you can draw this big ball, the back of the head, and maybe just draw two lines for some texture. Now we're going to go to the neck and the rest of the body. So we're just going to draw the shoulders, the neck and the shoulders, so you can keep it quite narrow. And then right here I'm going to draw the torso. And then we're just going to draw a little crease there. From there I'm just going to draw a little extension out. It's going to be a different color. And now for the dress. There we go. And now we're going to connect the dress. We're going to draw a little line in the dress. After that we're going to finish with the arms. So you're just going to draw two arms, going down, bring it down, and then a little ball for a hand. Bring it down, and then a little ball for a hand. There's the hands as well. Right here I want you to draw a little curvy line going all the way around, and on this side another curvy line going all the way around. And inside this you're going to draw some flowers. So I'm going to start with a middle flower, then you're going to draw another flower, and on this side another one. maybe here on the shoulder you're going to draw another flower and another flower. Here we go. Right on top, the little collar. And then here, we're just going to draw a little line as well. Next, we're going to start with the wings. Start up here at the shoulder, make two beautiful butterfly wings. The top wing a bit bigger, so from here I'm just going to try to copy it roughly about the same size. Then the inside as well. And on the side I'm going to take the line a bit longer and I'll draw the inside here as well. And then the bottom part of the wing. And I'll just draw the inside. And this way, the same, bottom part. And connect. Flowers. You can draw some random flowers. I'm just gonna draw 3 flowers here. But you can draw more if you want. I'm just doing it to save a little bit of time. On this side as well. And maybe a small one here. And now we're going to go to the legs. So I'm going to measure maybe about here. And I'm going to draw a nice curvy line going out. Here, a nice curvy line going out. And we'll do the same thing on this side. And the same thing here. And then you're going to connect it. That's going to be your pants. And within the pants, I'll just draw 1 flower. You can draw more flowers if you want. And I'll draw another flower just a bit higher up. Now I'm going to start there and I'm going to draw the calf area and there as well and make it narrower. And here we'll do the same thing, other side as well, make it a bit narrower. And then right here I'm going to draw a flower. And I'm going to let it touch the sides of the calves. Let it touch. And now for the shoe. So I'm just going to bring 2 curvy lines out and then I'm just going to connect it here at the bottom. And that's an easy way how to draw Poppy. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and I'm sure Poppy will look beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and you can send me a request if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.